We are in front of the new Westfalia Kelsey. This is the new model, and let's check around and check the actual interior. Pretty wide, nice, actually spacious. Slide out for your belongings, the sink, pop-up roof, and it says that actually a prototype, but we will be sure getting that pretty sure with the price of 77,829 euros. And these are the actual specs. We are now getting a look into the back. Oh, and that's pretty nice. We have an actual cassette toilet on the back, and actually you can take a shower because this is the part where you can actually take a shower and put a curtain around. Pretty nice. Also, additional compartment unit, shower unit, and this is a small fridge from this side. And going up from this side, we shall be looking at a kitchen with 2-burner stove and a lot of storage. Well, the sitting is also pretty nice. And on the upper part, we have the actual drop-down bed. Then we'll be entering inside, so we can check all the specs right up here, and with a mirror for your makeup. And this is the actual drop-down bed. It goes all the way down. Pretty nice. Actually small, with a smaller fridge. Actually pretty nice. And yes, you can fold down this part and make another bed. And going out for an additional look of this new van.